Which AWS service or feature is highly available by default? A. Amazon EC2. B. Amazon Aurora. C. NAT instances. D. Amazon RDS. Answer: B. Amazon Aurora. Amazon Aurora is a fully managed relational database service that is compatible with MySQL and PostgreSQL. It is built on top of a distributed storage layer, which automatically replicates data across multiple availability zones, AZs, to provide high availability and fault tolerance. By default, Aurora creates at least 3 copies of each database volume, with 1 copy in each availability zone within the same region. Therefore, Amazon Aurora is highly available by default. Amazon EC2 is a web service that provides resizable compute capacity in the cloud. It allows you to launch virtual machines, VMs, in 1 or more availability zones, but it does not provide high availability by default. To achieve high availability with EC2, you would need to set up multiple VMs in different availability zones and use load balancers or other methods to distribute traffic across them. CNAT instances are Amazon Elastic Compute Cloud, EC2, instances that you can use to enable instances in a private subnet to connect to the internet or other AWS services, but do not provide high availability by default. You can use the auto-scaling feature to increase the availability of your NAT instances, but they do not provide this feature by default. D. Amazon RDS is a web service that makes it easy to set up, operate, and scale a relational database in the cloud. Like Aurora, RDS is designed to provide high availability, but unlike Aurora, it does not provide high availability by default. You need to configure multi-AS deployments to achieve high availability for RDS. This feature creates a primary DB instance and synchronously replicates the data to a standby instance in a different availability zone. In the event of a planned or unplanned outage of the primary DB instance, Amazon RDS automatically fails over to the standby instance, so that your database remains available.